steady cam. It needs to be all natural. Miss Teddy.
Use.
Guess I wash my hands.
Alright, we watch the sports now.
Nothing wrong. Okay, ready?
Sure don't wiggly fella.
To prove that it's wiggly.
Goes forward or backwards, but he needs to work on it side to side. Twisting it.
Ow.
Yeah, if it hurts
He
that
needs
much.
to twist a little bit.
It didn't hurt that much.
You just jumped off the counter.
I do not.
Okay.
I'm done.
You need to start moving it with your tongue. And just
That's
play
what
with
I've been
Here,
doing.
wiggle it for us, Will. 2 bottom teeth. One on the left. Let me see. Get your tongue. Hold it still. Hold your tongue still. Pull it back.
Pull your tongue back.
There we go. Soon to be toothless.
And did you drill?
Give her enough.